welcome back. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. I'm here to do a quick what's in my bag video on this gorgeous item. If you're interested, let's get started. So as most of you may know, I just recently received this handbag. I have already worn it out and I have already sprayed my Apple Guard protector on the FASHIONPHILE to protect it from stains and watermarking, but I just want to show you what can actually fit in this handbag. So let's go. The first item, my card holder. I'm just going to pick them out randomly one at a time. This is my card holder. I sell these at lovingtoshop.com if you're interested. I have a few pieces left, so that's number one. Number two, I'm just going to dig in. These are wet ones, wipe. We need to keep our hands clean during this pandemic. So I always carry wet ones in my handbag. This is my 6-ring key fob from LV. Had this for years now. It holds a lot. Some lipstick from Bobbi Brown, lip gloss, sorry. This is my Hello Gorgeous. You've seen this in the previous video. I keep my car keys in here along with a little cash. Hand cream, because we all need to keep our hands moisturized. So this is the hand cream that I have right now. Lipstick. This is my favorite. Where is this from? This is from MAC, the Aladdin collection. I spoke about this in a previous video. I like this because you do not need a lip liner. This is like the best MAC color for me. And some Jo Malone, you know, in case you need to freshen up and spray yourself. And that's it. That's everything that's able to fit in this little beauty. More than one can possibly expect, and I love it. So now let's fill it back up. She's not overstuffed, she's not sagging. Beautiful. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.